Guys, so I don't have to work till 10 tonight, so I decided to come to this it's like a park area that my kids used to come and swim at like a long time ago, and I did too as a kid. But it's so pretty here. Love it. Like, I think the last time I was here was like 2 years ago, but it's so nice. The water's up so much though. And it's so, it's like there's a whole lot of wood in here now, woods. Crap. Isn't that peaceful though, y'all? So that rock right there that you can see, a long time ago me and my mom would come out here. I think it was that rock. It's one of the two. And we would lay out in the sun. It was so much fun, guys. But the water's up so much where it's rained. I needed to get some fresh air. I needed to just be in nature and breathe and not think of stuff, just of God's beauty and His gorgeous creation that He has gave to us. And yeah, I just needed this. Isn't it so pretty? This water is so much out here. Like, look how much it is. Normally, like, it doesn't make like waves like this. It's just a little creek. The name of this is Piney Creek, but the rain is like, it's rained so much, and love it. Look at the trees. How cool is that? I could sit and read a book and listen to this all day long. Oh my gosh, look at those shoes. Is that shoes in that tree? Yes, how did that happen? Looks like somebody just took and threw them up there. See them? Lord, have mercy. Wow, that's funny. Best seat at its best. Look at this. Well, I can't really see it, but there's like, I'm sitting on a tree branch and enjoying my view. Gotta love it, guys. I love how the trees are like, their branches, look at them. Isn't that cool? Love it. I'm gonna set y'all right here. I'll try to put y'all on the other. So y'all probably can't see me. Somebody already wrote right here. I don't want to get my feet wet. But if I do, it will be the first. Go. There's a butterfly. Where did it go? There was a beautiful butterfly that flew over here. So, can y'all see what I wrote? I can't. There you go. Gotta have hope and you gotta keep the faith. Okay, so we're gonna get out of here and go up here now. These rocks are something else. Make sure I don't lose my daggum keys. That would be a mess. So, right over here, there was another area that was fun to come out. This pollen's getting me, guys. Several cars out here. I guess they're hiking. There's hiking trails up through here all over. Oh, look at the flowers. Those are pretty. Lord, I don't even know if this trail is still out here. There's the trail where it starts, but honey, I don't. I love outdoors. It's so great. Look how pretty. Isn't that just gorgeous, y'all? So every time I decide to like, you know, vlog or whatever, my daggum battery goes down so fast. Like it's on 37. Gotta jump over that. So they've cleared a lot of this out. This used to be like trees and stuff. And bushes. So normally when it's like the water's not up, there's flat rock down through here. And it's a perfect place to swim. Look at the sand, look at it. So yeah, the water's like, oh man, look at this. All the sand. Oh, wow. Look at the sand. Oh my gosh. That was fun. Ooh, about fell, kids. A closed call. Look at that. That mess. Wow. Try again and see. Whew. Made it. I don't even know. We'll walk a little ways out through here. They had some really cool trees out here. Now they're gone. I'd blame it. I'm walking in bushes and everything. Help! So yeah, it looks so different now. Down through here. There's somebody down there sitting on a rock. Gotta keep her distance, kids. But isn't that pretty? Love it. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna jump in my car and we're gonna go this other way and see if it's growed up. We might not be able to go back through there, but I ain't gonna go too far because it's way out in the woods and I'm by myself. So there's Pine Cone. Just a breath of fresh air, guys. I don't know if this might be shut down over here. I've not been in a long time, guys, so we'll see, kids. It's just right over here. You can't really see me. Let me turn that madness down. There we go. I'm burning up. Oh, those are two people kayaking. They had two kayaks. But that was fun. So we shall see, kids. It's so pretty out today, y'all. This heat has got to go. Like, I can't even. So let's see if it's, we'll Well, how do you get to it anymore? Well, we're going to see. We're going to pull in right here and see. Yep, we will. Back through here, back whenever I was a kid and stuff, and my family and like church and stuff, we would have little picnics down through here, like way back through there, but I'll take y'all to it in a minute. But it's so nice. And how am I going to get over this? Help. I don't want to get marred up, guys. Woo. I've got pictures of me and my kids right here on this rock. Brings back memories. Standing on the rock. Look at these. How cool is that? Look how gorgeous this is. I love it. Oh well. Look at these rocks. How awesome is that? Flowers. I try not to do it so fast because I don't want to get y'all sick or whatever from moving too fast. This stuff right here is flint rock. Like you can like draw on it and stuff. I remember doing that when I was a kid. Me and my kids did too. Attempt this. I don't know how the condition is on this, so we're gonna give it a whirl and see, guys. But this used to be the trail, and of course down through there, but it's flooded out. Look. Oh, here's some yellow flowers. Oh, that reminds me of my granny. Look. Oh, thought about fell. Look at those. How pretty. That is gorgeous. My phone is on 17%, guys. See, there's the old wooded steps. Wow, look at that water. Woo! How awesome this is. Yeah, I see all these daggum tree limbs. Yeah, this is bad conditioning now. Oh, look at those. Hope I don't make y'all dizzy. Woo! I am hot. Like, it's cool out here, but at the same time when you're moving and walking it gets a little warm. That was a pretty fast walk. See, all of these used to be wooden steps. Uh-oh. How am I going to get down there? I ain't going to be able to. We'll have to end it short at this. See that? Woo-wee. Right there, in that spot right there, there's this big rock. And we used to jump off of it and have picnics way back that way. Like it wraps all the way around. Man, that sucks. Isn't that cool though? It's nice. Very relaxing, guys. I love hearing the wildlife. Okay, we're going to be heading back because whew, it's like trapped. You can't get down in there now. So that was a good little trail. Sometimes it's like life. Sometimes in life, obstacles come in our way and trials and tribulations. Look at this. Look at those little berries. Sometimes obstacles and trials and roadblocks come in our way, but we can always get past them by just keep pressing forward and looking for the brighter side in life, keeping the faith, keeping the hope, staying positive even when you feel like you can't be positive. You've got to make yourself be positive, because there's always a brighter tomorrow. I really hope and pray that I don't get any sea ticks, because I got pants on. Ooh. And that crap will eat you to death. You gotta be careful with this so you go tumbling down the hill here. Whew. One time my brother got a really bad, it wasn't poison ivy, it was like sumac or something else, and it put him in the hospital. He got it here. He was allergic to it, which I'm not allergic to any of that. Like poison ivy. Oh God, help. Like poison ivy or any of that, I'm not allergic to it, thank God. Oh, those are pretty. So there used to be this, oh gosh. I got my feet wet. There used to be this little gas station. Oh, that's pretty. And anyways, that flower looks like a butterfly. Anyways, there used to be this gas station right down the road, and they used to sell the best walnut ice cream ever. Black walnut, oh my gosh. I used to stop and get that all the time. It was so good. And every time I come, which this is the first time I've been here in years. Last time I came down here was when I done that vlog video with you all, like a long time ago. But used to would stop there and get ice cream. And see, look at all these old, see, like it used to be really nice. There'd be like steps, these little wooden steps. But it's like, it's not getting kept up anymore. They shut this, they closed it off. I mean, you can still come back here, but I just like coming and ever so often just, you know. It's a good little spot. We went camping a long time ago. Like, I think it was like 3 or 4 hours to hike to it. And that was a really pretty place. It's like up on another trail right up here. I'll never forget it. I was pregnant with Katie, and I just got pregnant with her. And so I remember walking and getting sick and throwing up and pausing and stopping, and yeah, it was an interesting trip. Very interesting. I stayed sick with my kids all the time when I was pregnant. Like the morning sickness. Ooh, Lord. I'll never forget it. My uncle went with us. Ricky, the one that passed away. We had so much fun. But yeah, this like totally get your mind off stuff. Clears your head. I don't want to get my butt wet. I'm sitting right here on these rocks. And you can just refocus, rethink, and breathe. And yes, it's great. And I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's staying sane through all this madness and chaotic time that we're living in right now. Oh, these are pretty big yellow flowers too. Oh, those are pretty. See them? Those are cute. We can make it across this little hole. Look at the water. It's all the way across here. I jumped the other way, but oh gosh. Help. This ain't good, y'all. Oh gosh. Whew. What an adventure was that. To me and my clumsiness. Oh, I enjoyed that. That was so fun. It's a nice day out here today. I've said that probably 100 times, but it's true. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little breath of fresh air. Seems like this type of stuff like really relaxes me and just helps calms my mind and my thinking. And oh, where am I going? So there's all kinds of butterflies out here. Look at that purple one. Oh, there's a yellow one. You see it? Every time I see a yellow butterfly, it makes me think of my mama. He's flying around me.